just, every time Jay preaches, it's like the energy level I cannot sustain, right? Amazing, preaching, Jay. Thank you for the word that you have shared. I really want what he said about, suffering. Suffering is always a part of our Christian walk. And the only thing that keeps us going is we have a God that we can trust. That's what Jay has mentioned. But while waiting for that, that's where, we are always in a hurry, as Jay said, right? And that's why we kind of like talk about patience. And I like when he said about FPJ, right? Farming, a farmer, right? I think I realized there when I was listening to Jay is that there is a natural delay between planting and harvesting. There's a gap between a farmer planting a seed and harvesting it. But the reality is that there will be a harvest at the end. And that's where Jay somehow put on the attitude that we have to. And the good thing is that, we're making joke about patient being sick in the hospital. But the reality is that when Jay, I really like how he positioned of saying, you know what guys, look at the prophets and Job. It's like, when you are in a hospital, there's a waiting room. And waiting is really not easy, to be honest, because we're always in a hurry, right? And here, what James was trying to say, you're not alone in the waiting room. You need to be encouraged by the other people who are here tonight, who are also going through certain tests in your life, and you are not alone in the waiting room. You can look at those witnesses. You can see that those prophets, and in fact, Job. And tonight, what I'd like us to do is to respond not in prayer but in worship. Because James, picked up Job. And Jay mentioned that, and I really love this. When Job suffered, his response was, he tore his clothes, fell into the ground, and worshiped God. He said, naked I come into this world, naked I will depart. How many of you would like to battle everything that you're going through tonight through worship?